Arrive in style with this Ram 2018 4500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, bright white clear coat, electric shift on the fly transfer case, diesel gray black HD vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, 4.10 axle ratio Cummins turbo diesel badge electronically controlled throttle 87 miles per hour maximum speed current generation engine controller smart diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, Ram active air, power black trailer tow mirrors, wheels, 19.5 inches x 6.0 inches forged aluminum polished included, center hub, tires, 225/70 R 19.5 G all precision 4